one of the biggest things I get from divers, prospective divers, when they think about buying equipment, or people thinking about getting a diving is, God, the dive equipment's really hard to travel with. Well, they want to use rental gear. Well, my question is, would you really want to use a regulator you don't know who had in the mouth before you? What happens if somebody's spinning it, or heavens to God, they threw up in it? Do you think those companies really sanitize this stuff? Really? Two, my computer, I know how it works. Boy, do I know how it works. And that's for a safety aspect. And three, I'm a photographer. So being a photographer, and I'm old, my eyes are bad, so now I have bifocals, my mask, and my mask fits my face properly. So when I travel, I do two things. Number one, on my carry-on bag, I always take one, my mask, two, my computer, three, my regulator, along with travel documents, my dive camera, and that goes on a nice little pack-on that I got carry-on that I can take on the plane with me. Think about this the next time you go on a dive trip. Have a good day.